To get cash from an Affirm virtual card, follow these steps. Set up your Affirm virtual card. First, you need to apply for an Affirm virtual card through the Affirm app or website. Once approved, you will receive a virtual card number, expiration date and CVV, which is used for online or in-store purchases. Use your virtual card for purchases. The Affirm virtual card is typically used for making online purchases or paying at retailers that accept Visa. It does not work like a traditional debit card to withdraw cash directly from an ATM. Withdraw cash using third-party services. Although Affirm cards don't allow direct ATM withdrawals, you may use services like PayPal or Venmo to withdraw cash indirectly. Link your Affirm virtual card to your PayPal or Venmo account. Transfer the virtual card balance to your PayPal or Venmo account. From there, you can send the balance to your bank account and withdraw cash from an ATM. Be aware of any fees associated with transfers and withdrawals. Use a prepaid debit card. Some users also opt to load the Affirm virtual card balance onto a prepaid debit card that allows cash withdrawals.